Usually I don't read magazines except if it's like a proper automotive magazine, or if I come across a magazine that has something like this, a motorcycle on it. But every once in a while I definitely read a magazine that is really interesting, if I have something like really eye-catchy, or if something like this happens. Yes, that is an interview about Mr. Sriman Kotal, vlogging with Sriman. This is a magazine called Pause Magazine, Hyderabad edition. Really well written, the way everything is summarized, everything is so crisp and clean. I think I have to start giving my new pictures from now onwards for interviews, because I'm looking so fat here, and also a lot of tan. Obviously when I'm in the ride, that's what happens. And talking about tan and skincare, today we have a couple of products that I'll be talking about. The aloe vera range from Wow Skin Science. So for my aloe vera skincare, I'm using 3 of these products. The first one is the hydrating face wash, the second one is the peel off gel, and the third one is the aloe vera gel. When using a particular step-by-step process, you will definitely see positive results in the way your skin looks. And I need not tell you the benefits of aloe vera. If you don't know, you can ask your mom, sister, or your girlfriend. Foremost benefit of aloe vera is it helps moisturize your skin, and most importantly, if you're someone who suffers from acne, aloe vera definitely helps. Using such aloe vera based products have much more benefit. I'll tell you why. Firstly, Wow Skin Science uses proper natural ingredients in them, so you have natural aloe vera extract in it, combined with something like vitamin B5, which is very beneficial to your skin. First, before applying any product on your face to have proper effects of it, you should properly cleanse your face using a face wash. One thing I really I love about Wow Skin Science products is they came up with this innovative design for the products. As you can see, it's a nice and soft silicone brush. Using this kind of a brush helps you apply the face wash evenly. Not only that, it reaches deep within your pores and helps you clean it, and also improves skin visibly once you wash your face. The second step is to use the aloe vera peel off gel mask. Once again, this is also enriched with vitamin B5. Using it is pretty much simple. Apply adequate amount of the gel evenly all over your face and neck, avoiding areas around your eyes and mouth. Peel it off to reveal purer skin. Not only it removes dead cells, but also hidden impurities. Also, it clears up all the blackheads and whiteheads, and also tightens the open pores. And the third product we have is the aloe vera gel. As you can see, these rollers, these help evenly apply the gel all over your skin. Once again, this gel is infused with vitamin B and E and hyaluronic acid. All these 3 products definitely help the way your skin looks. Alright, so this is my skincare routine with aloe vera range. Our Skin Science are properly and truly made in India. Also, all their ingredients are natural, and most important of all, they don't have any chemicals, they don't have any color, sulfur, nor any parabens. These are all very harmful to your skin. And Wow Skin Science has recently launched a dedicated app from where you can avail a lot of discounts. I'll be putting down the app link in the description, and as you can see, it is pretty easy to navigate through the app and find what you need. Also, Wow Skin Science has gone a step ahead. The QR code, you can find it on the side of the product. You can scan with any QR scanner and you can check the authenticity. So moving forward, I have a couple of things to do. I have to go out and get something. I'll quickly change and I'll see you guys. And I remember I did not give the intro, so just give me a second. I'll change and I'll give the intro. Alright, all fresh, ready to rock the day. No, actually I'll not give the intro here. Bored of giving the intro all the time in this room. How about tiffin box? Good boy. Sojo ka tiffin.
Hey, tokkra chat ilu maar be.
Etin vachinara.
Basti area. Kutnare na Manchal road pe na.
Welcome to Malkajgiri. Fighting is like a typical thing here. Every day morning I see that.
Like Basti fighting.
So what's up, best? कैसे हो? Elan, I hope everyone is doing great.
Great.
I heard a lot of things about you.
अरे इंगा आपरा ना संपेस्टुरा रे राइंदे रे అయిపోయిందో అని.
Clarity I'm giving. कुछ नहीं हुआ. It's all fine. No COVID. No piles.
Taking the RC.
Uncle, కొంచెం కాల్ పక్కకి వెళ్ళి మాట్లాడుకుంటే. I'm planning to take the Interceptor. Not bike. For now, I want to test ride it.
Is it with Panda or Kishore?
From Panda. Kishore ke paas nahi hai. Actually, this guy came a little bit late. He said 10-15 minutes I'll be here, but he still came late. But it's okay. Sujan is helping me a lot today. He's doing a big favor for me.
500 रुपए लगते हैं सर फ्यूल के लिए.
Uber driver here. 9 out of 10 rating. Look at our road right now. Actually, I was planning to get the Tiger and come from here.
That's okay.
It's amazing. It is more than you remember. You sat down in Pangong. You don't want to ride. Remember that scene? Exactly, it is like that.
Hey, no street triple. Only Africa.
Street triple radra. Mottam aankuntaru kinda. This is how the road is right now. This is like this till almost 1 kilometer. Hey, JCB.
Eco excellence anta. Kotte model.
CRF 20,000 radi. Yeah, this way you can't go at all.
ఎందుకు ఆ రిచ్చే పోతుంది మన క్రేటా పోదు.
No, that is coming traffic. You can't go from here. You should take this diversion. This is horrible. Look at that road.
Nice.
Slush. Proper chocolate slush.
అరే మన బైక్స్ ఇంత భయపడతాం కానీ పీపుల్ హూ రైడ్ స్ప్లెండర్ అండ్ ప్యాషన్ దే రైడ్ ఇట్ వెరీ ఈజీ.
I'll tell you one thing. Every day I go to gym from there. Every day. I'm able to ride the deer with one hand. I came with the Tiger one day. I was conscious about riding it. So I understood
that is the
it is
problem.
not to do with the bike. That's to do with the weight of the bike.
If a tiger falls, you can buy a new Dio instead
Trust
of getting
me.
the tiger repaired.
That is true. But seriously, you get your Bergman. You'll ride it with one hand. So people think you're riding a Tiger. Why are you not able to ride it in off-road and all that? It's not about that. It's not about the bike. You need to have the skill. Ardhamainda Sujju?
Which we lack.
Yes, definitely we lack. We are like long touring people. We can't do off-roads. We are not like skilled off-road riders. You ask us to do 1,000 kilometers, we'll do it. Without a break, we can do 300 kilometers.
I need chai. Chai bada. I probably
hate chai.
అరే ఒక పని చేద్దాం. Let's buy those hydration bags. దానిలో వాటర్ బదులు చాయ్ వేసుకుందాం ఇట్లా పైప్ చలో సమ్మర్ లో
Chalo, dur, jelly with the car.
సమ్మర్ లో వేడైపోతుంది కదా.
This is called the official rat hole of Malkajgiri. Just now Srujan gave me a heart attack. Actually, I did not tell where are we going. First, he's taking me to his Gachipalli site again. Uske baad, I have to go to Naresh house and get his Naresh with the Panda, not Bahubali. To go to Panda's house and get the Interceptor. Why am I getting the Interceptor? Sunday ride ke liye. Why am I doing that? Secret. Now the issue is, I forgot my helmet. How?
Panda ka helmet.
Panda ka helmet నాకు పడుతుందా? Lose అవుతుంది.
లూజ్ ఇట్లా కొట్టుకుంటుంది.
And this is one thing I didn't want. It's raining. Arre, what is this rain? Hyderabad mein since last 7, today is 8th day. It's continuously raining. Continuously.
అసలు సన్ నేను చూసి చాలా రోజులు అవుతుందిరా.
సన్ను నేను లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ చూసాం. Yes, driver seat is empty because Srujan left me and went on his work. Usually when he says it takes only 10 or 15 minutes, he comes after half an hour. Now he openly told me he's going to come after half an hour, so I'm expecting a delay of at least 1 to 2 hours. What I'll do is just relax back like that, watch someone is calling me. Perfect. Srujan, are you back from your work?
Yeah, but
Still need to wait.
I'm waiting for someone.
I just told, usually when you say you'll come in 10 minutes, you'll come after 45 minutes. Now
I
you
told-
openly told me you'll come after 1 hour.
I came out 1 hour.
You came jelly, but you're still waiting, right? And I forget that Srujan has some very interesting object here. Smart book, smart diary,
So, hey, don't touch. Personal diary.
personal diary. దాంట్లో ఏం లేవు పర్సనల్. మొత్తం ఎన్ని ఇటుకలు వేసాడు, ఎన్ని సంచులు సిమెంట్ వేసాడు.
This is more like my daily planner. Both of us have memory problem. Bale bale magadawe types.
Gajinis, both of us are Gajinis. So interesting part is, show me that.
Yeah.
This is the magic pen. It has proper like blue ink and all.
Spelling radara.
See, that is the problem. Gajini, I forgot my own name. Now, you can erase this. You see, it looks natural, right? It looks like a normal ballpoint pen. So there is a eraser here.
Eraser kante, you should actually use a wet cloth and rub the entire.
He's saying if you use a wet cloth or a wet tissue, you can just wipe it and it goes away. That's it. You see this?
So waterproof paper.
Wow, Srujan. Where did you find this book?
Amazon.
అసలు ఇట్లాంటిది ఉంటుందో ఎట్లా తెలిసింది నీకు?
Amazon promotion.
Yeah, one more interesting feature.
There is a QR code. If you scan this QR code on this entire page, direct PDF ban jayega.
इसका पूरा PDF बन जाएगा.
The way I've written it exactly.
That's interesting. Yeah. How does it capture all this? And this is magic.
ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ భయ్యా దీని వల్ల నవనీత్ బుక్ చేసుకుని పెన్సిల్ తో రాస్తే అయిపోయింది కదా అంటు. 3 Idiots.
Correct కదా?
కానీ మనం దూలే కదా కొంచెం.
But if you want pen effect, so Srujan was saying, why not use a pencil and use a normal Navneet paper book and erase it? Same thing, right?
Yeah.
The only thing is, if you want this pen effect, if you want something like this, you know, that pen feeling.
It's a personal diary. దూలా.
తుడిపేసే డైరీ అన్నారా?
So but still you cannot erase everything at
అరే you can
once.
use sanitizer to erase.
వద్దులేరా ఏమవుతో తెలీదు.
కింద ఉన్నాం. This is a new norm. Every time you have to take prasad, sanitizer, check your temperature, and what is this? Everywhere we go, this OTPs. Too much of security. Even Naresh house is like this. You need an OTP to come inside. Hey, the interceptor is here.
చూడు ఉంటే తీసేసి వెళ్ళకు.
కాదనుకుంటా. That is Naresh car Interceptor. I want to ride it and go. Only problem is I don't have the helmet. Taking it. Wife is calling. Hey, what's up, Naresh? Naresh, there's one mistake I did. I forgot to get my helmet. Today swag में जाएंगे with the glares and
నాకే పడుతుందిరా.
Oh yes, finally I got the helmet. Luckily it's a pretty brand new helmet. Naresh didn't use it till now, but it's a size S. Fortunately it is fitting me. S size is fitting me. M is also usually a little bit tight. I usually wear L, but somehow Sujan, S is fitting me. So I understood that fat didn't go just from my body, from my face as well. Sujan is saying maybe I trim my beard. And now I'll finish my tiffin box. Suju, you should also carry your own tiffin boxes, not just Apple. Take the helmet, get out, go home. On the Interceptor, but unfortunately I don't have the GoPro, so I can't vlog anything on that. Sunday in the breakfast I'll be vlogging that, but I don't know when that vlog is gonna come. Something is cooking, I'll tell you later about that.
Street triple R.
Sorry Panda.
It's okay.
I sent Panda like 3-4 times up. Once for the helmet, once for the keys, once for the washroom, and now what is that? Once for the spoon. What is that?
వాల్నట్స్.
Walnut. Why is it like this? Actually, you need to break it and eat. Too complicated. ఇంత కష్టం ఉండకూడదురా, ఈజీగా ఇట్లా.
అరే ఇట్లా ఈజీగా అయితే స్మెల్ వస్తుంది.
ప్రస్తుతం నేను ఓట్స్ తింటా.